Let me guess, you train hard, you eat clean, you do everything you're supposed to do, and you've tried every diet under the sun. But no matter what you do, your stubborn belly fat just won't shift. But here's the truth that most men miss. It's not because you're not working hard enough. It's because your biology is stuck. When your nervous system is running hot, your cortisol level stays high. Testosterone drops and your metabolism slows down, meaning your body literally refuses to burn fat, no matter how disciplined you are. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 reasons why your body won't burn fat and let the fat go. And more importantly, the exact steps you need to take in order to fix this problem. These are the same methods I've used personally as a Muay Thai World Champion year after year to stay lean, and the same system I've been using with some of my high-performing clients, executives, CEOs, founders, and former athletes that felt like their body was slipping away from them, but wanted to reset and build the edge again. So if you're tired of grinding harder for 0 results, and you finally want to understand how to get your body to burn fat again, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. If you train hard, but you always feel tired, wired, or fried like a Costco rotisserie chicken, here's the mistake that you're making. Your nervous system is cooked. If you have high cortisol, your body literally holds on to fat, especially around the belly and the chest area for men. And even if you're grinding, it's still going to happen. That's not discipline, that's biology just hitting the brakes. So how can you fix this? I'm gonna give you the steps, all right? Daily steps that you can take right now. Number 1 is slow breathing. Number 2 is cold exposure, all right? That could be ice bath, you can jump in the ocean, very cold shower. Number 3 is morning sunlight. As soon as we wake up, we want to expose our eyes, our skin to the sun. And number 4 is sleep, and I'm talking about real sleep, okay? Not watching Netflix with your eyes shut every single day, consistent time when you go to bed, and quality time in bed. Even 5 to 10 minutes of breathing exercises and cold exposure is going to do wonders for your nervous system. All right, brother, it's safe again. You can start burning fat again. And this isn't some spiritual woo-woo bullshit, all right? There's tons of study on this. We know that high cortisol directly blocks fat oxidation, okay? This is science, it's not sage instant. By the way, men over 30 years old, if you want help dropping stubborn fat, reigniting your testosterone, and actually feeling like your body responds again, hit the top link and book a free strategic call with me. All right, let's get back to the video. If you eat clean, but you still feel sluggish, or you look in the mirror like, bro, why do I look 45 when I'm only 32? Then this is for you. So here are some of the mistakes that I see men do all the time. 1 is a diet that starves fat. 2 is too much cardio, all right? Chronic cardio, constantly cardio. 3 is cutting down on calories too much. Meaning 1,500, 1,700 calories ain't going to cut it for you, because all of those combined are gonna suppress, right, your testosterone and your metabolism. So you can't cut down drastically calories, okay? 1,500 calories is not enough. You can't be doing cardio all the time, and you certainly can't train hard, but take your recovery for granted. So how can you fix this? Okay, we can naturally optimize testosterone through proper sleep, proper nutrition, and proper recovery. We want to lift heavy and focus on reducing inflammation every single day. Let me give you an extra tip, okay? You want to reintroduce carbs strategically around your workouts, all right? And by doing so, it can actually increase fat burn by restoring insulin sensitivity. What I also like to do and preach to my client is maybe you go in 2 or 3 days on a lower carb, right, intake. Then on that 4th day, you kind of want to carb up, all right? This is called carb cycling, and this is also going to help restore some of your hormones, your mood, and then your sleep as well. The Journal of Clinical Endocrinology even shows that men with low testosterone plus poor insulin sensitivity struggle to burn fat no matter how hard they train. In other words, it's not you, it's your hormones throwing a tantrum. If you can lose the weight, but it always comes back like an ex that wants closure, you're probably making this mistake mistake here. You rely on extreme diets. You're doing 75 hard challenges, for example, or you use supplements instead of building performance habits. You have to understand that fat loss isn't a 30-day challenge. It's a lifestyle that doesn't suck. So how can you fix this today? You want to anchor simple, masculine performance habits. What does that mean? That means 3 to 4 heavy lifting sessions a week, 7 to 8 hours or even more of legit sleep, a nutrients-dense diet that you can sustain. And I'm talking about real whole food, not here, snacks there and snacks there, okay? And a recovery ritual that makes your nervous system behave. You have to treat your recovery just like you are treating your training. In the European Journal of Physiology, they found that men who sleep properly and also use strength training, resistance training, had better long-term fat loss results than any other diet alone. And that's the third step. Okay, habits that keeps you strong, shredded, and locked in for life. But here's the truth that most men do not want to hear. It's almost never just one single problem. It's the stack. High cortisol, low testosterone, poor recovery, sluggish metabolism, broken sleep, and way too much stress. And your biology is basically looking at you like, bro, I'm trying. I really am trying. But you give me nothing to work with. You understand what I'm saying? And this is exactly why I created the biological recode system, because I'm tired of seeing men constantly having discipline, working hard, but not getting results. And I've seen this years after years, and I've been through this myself, all right? Your nervous system, your recovery is crucial in order for you to burn fat again. And until you fix that, it's not going to happen. It's as simple as this, all right? Or you're going to be very limited with the results that you get, and therefore most people are just gonna burn out. They're like, fuck this. And then when people jump onto TRT, all right, peptides, steroids, whatever it is that is a shortcut to get them there, instead of actually looking at your biology from the inside out. This is not another cookie cutter program. It's not a starvation diet, and it's not a 6 weeks hype challenge. It's a full biological reset system that I've created for high performing men in the age of 30s, 40s, and 50s who feel like their body stopped responding. Over those 3 phases, this is what we focus on. Number 1, we reset your nervous system to unlock fat loss. Number 2, we reignite your testosterone and your metabolism so that you can burn fat again. And number 3, we lock in performance habits so that you can keep those results for life. And I've used this method with all of the clients that I've trained throughout my career as a professional athlete, as a personal trainer, and that's more than 2,000 men, okay? So if you're tired of working twice as hard for half the results, click the top link, book your free strategy call, and let's fix this together. And if you're not ready yet, no problem, watch my next video, 5 natural testosterone boosting hacks. Either way, brother, you have to stop trying to out-discipline a broken biology. You do not need more hustle. You need a system so your body actually works with you. So let's fix this together.